You read that headline correctly, 24 million pounds for just 107 days of work. Before you grab your phone to type, I'm finished with this life, stay with me, because the real story behind Liam Rosner's chess exit is a masterclass in modern football survival. The truth, that high-watering figure is pure myth. Let's unpack the reality before the WhatsApp groups catch fire. Imagine signing a 6.5-year contract in January, shaking hands with the sporting directors and thinking you are secured the bag until 2031. Fast forward barely 3 months and you are clearing your desk. That was the brutal timeline for Rosenior. The internet immediately did the math. 4 million pounds per year multiplied by 6.5 years, it spot out a staggering 24 million bill. The narrative exploded. Chelsea are finished financially. They screamed. But here is the cold water. We investigated and it turns out the Blues hierarchy are not as reckless with cash as KO's ball suggests. Buried deep in the fine print of Rosenier's multi-million pound deal wasn't a golden retirement fund, but a simple surgical break clause. This wasn't a random lottery win for a departing coach, it was a pre-no. Sources close to the negotiation desk have confirmed that the severance package is scrapped. We are not talking about buying out 5 or 6 years of idleness. The actual payout will likely over around just 1 year's salary, roughly 4 million pounds. To put that in perspective, that's the cost of a promising academy teenager, not a financial apocalypse for a Premier League giant. What's the lesson here? The Chope TV family, in the high-stakes poker game of football management, boardrooms have gotten smarter. They have realized that giving a coach a decade-long deal sounds great for optics, but you protect yourself with an eject button. For Rosenior, it's still a painful thank you and goodbye. He came with a clear possession-based philosophy under Moresca, but the ruthless engine of Stamford Bridge waits for no one. So, the next time you see a 24 million pound sacking headline flashing on your screen, remember today's breakdown. It's a juicy clickbait number, but the honest money tells a quieter, smarter story of a 4 million pound exit door. Chelsea walked away stung but not broken. As for Rosenior, don't fail to name a young English manager with championship success on his CV won't stay unemployed for long. Keep it locked on Acholi TV for the hand-told angles. We don't just read the headlines, we cut through the noise pace. In a simple language, there was a clause signed that did not allow payout for the rest of the remaining contracts, but just 1 year. Thank you.